Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the first episode in my series of Roblox Studio coding tutorials. You don't need any experience to follow along, and you can pause at any time. Right away we can see a bunch of options, but for now let's select the normal base plate. This area here lets us view our workspace, aka everything that we can see. Hold middle mouse button to change your perspective. WASD to move around, and scroll to zoom. This area here lets us view our workspace, aka everything that we can see. Anyways, hold middle mouse button to change your right side window. We can WASD to move around and scroll to zoom. It contains the appearance, color, if it has shadows or not, materials, the transform, position, rotation, collision, which is self-explanatory, and part section of something in the workspace. Back at the appearance section, we can change the color of the selected item, aka the spawn point, by clicking brick color. By clicking color we can access some more options if we want. Below that is materials. Materials can change different characteristics of the object. For now, let's select neon. Now, our spawn location is glowing. You can right-click and select the rename option of anything in the Explorer to change its name. Click the play button at the top of the screen to run your creation. Right now, there isn't much in our workspace, though. To the top left of our screen, we have a few options. As you can see, we can scale objects after clicking the scale button. Let's scale our spawn point upwards, otherwise known as the y-axis. You can also turn off shadows in the appearance section of its properties. Now if we run it, we can see that our spawn point is taller. Let's write a script. Hover your mouse over the server script service, which is located near the middle of the workspace tab. Click the plus icon and select script. We can see the line print hello world. Between the quotation marks, replace hello world with any phrase you'd like. Hit the play button and run your script, and pay attention to the output window at the bottom of your screen. Your phrase has been printed. Now, create a line above the last one, moving the print line to line 2. Using the wait function, we can time the text, as you can see on the screen. Hit play. Now we can delete our code. Variables can contain values such as integers aka numbers, text, and more. In Roblox Studio, their names may only contain letters. Let's create a couple text variables. Write the name of the variable, add an equal sign, then add a few words in between quotation marks. Repeat this a few times but with different word, which make up a sentence together. Make sure they have different names. In this recording, I made a slight error. Don't add spaces in the text of the variables. Now type print in lowercase, followed by an opened and closed bracket. Type all the variable names with a comma between each one. After running the program, we can see that the variables combine to make a sentence. In programming terms, text is usually referred to as strings, so that's what we will be calling it now. Let's add something which can move into our workspace. Add a sphere by clicking the arrow below the Part button, which is to the left of the Play button. Select Sphere. With the Move tool, position it above the spawn point. In the Appearance tab, change the brick color of the ball. The ball is currently unanchored, so after we run this it can move. Move it past the edge of the spawn point. You can change perspective and view to help you, along with the Move tool, located near the Scale tool. Use Ctrl-D to duplicate the sphere, and create a staircase of them by using the Move tool. Use at least 3 spheres. If we run it, we can see a problem in our program. Since the spheres are unanchored, they will just fall on the ground. Select all of them whilst holding Shift. Go to the Parts section of their properties. Check the anchored box. Now it forms a proper staircase. Back to our script. Create a few new variables, but instead give them the values of different numbers. Make them whole numbers. We will refer to numbers like these as integers. Create another print statement. You don't need the extra brackets I added. The asterisk symbol means to multiple. Multiply 2 of the integers together by using the variables. Add a comma, and now divide 2 of the integer variables by adding a slash in between them. Now hit play and check the output. It should give you the accurate answers. Anyways, that brings us to the end of the episode. Please subscribe or drop a comment if you enjoyed the video. Tune in next time for part 2.